I'm gonna count to 3.
Don't bust an artery, Einstein.
You have invaded my personal space. Do not touch anything and leave via the designated exit. Mind your step on the way out and have a nice day.
Oh, you can count on it.
Uh-oh, a fence. Gravy.
Aw, come on, Double D. I don't say gravy all the time.
Butter toast, then.
Toast is so crude, as the crust always gets stuck in my gap.
What's he up to? What the heck's he doing? Who cares? He's
A bird to carry.
Says you.
Hey! Put me down, you lunkhead! Double D! Do something!
Watch your posture and use soap when you wash your hands.
Hey! And find out how much you're making, will ya?
Bye, dear.
He's on his own now, Eddie. Ready to carve his niche in this dog-eat-dog world we call home.